In this video, we will learn completely how to create a top-up, recharge and utility bill payment solution website. Here we can add multiple bill payment system categories. Users can then make various types of payments by selecting specific categories according to their needs. Also, users of our website can easily add funds to their accounts. Here, our website users are getting many international automatic payment methods. Using these automatic payment methods, our website users can easily add funds to their accounts. We can easily add these automatic payment methods to the website through the admin panel. Our website users also get many more feature sections in their account panel. Using these feature sections, our website users can easily manage their accounts step by step. We will use premium source code to build this website. If we create a website using this premium source code, we get such a nice homepage design. We are getting a professional admin panel to manage this website. We can easily manage all the functionalities and features of this website through the admin panel, because as you can see, this admin panel has all kinds of feature sections step by step, which is enough to manage this website. So now let's learn how to create such a professional website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create top-up, recharge and utility bill payment solution marketing website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish top-up, recharge and utility bill payment solution website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to add permissions to some folders. So we will learn step by step how to add permissions to these folders. Now we need to do purchase verification. For this we need to submit the purchase code correctly here. Now we need to submit the database here. So now we will learn how to create a database in the hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect the hosting panel database information to the website. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we need to click on the Proceed button. You can see that our website is showing an error on the homepage. To solve this problem, we must submit the SQL file to the database. Wow, you can see we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is completely ready. Now we can customize the website by logging into the admin panel. For this, we need to use the default admin login information. Then we must change the default admin login information. Now you can customize all the features and functionalities of the admin panel step by step. In the control panel section, you can customize important website functionalities. Customize these feature sections to suit your needs. You can also add many international automatic payment methods to your website. Here you will find many international automatic payment methods. Add these as per your need. You can also create any type of manual payment method according to your needs. If you want to easily change the website design, you need to go to the section headings or content settings, because these sections contain all kinds of features to change the design of the website. You can easily change the website designs using these feature sections. You also get many other important features in the admin panel. Using these features, you can easily manage the website, or if you have any problems understanding anything about the admin panel, contact us and we will help you. In this video, we learned how to create a banking payment solution website. If you have any questions about this video, please comment or contact us directly via email and WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching this video completely. If you don't want to miss our next videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel.